I'm going to show you how to remove a door panel on a T3 2014 Touareg. I've got a failing lock switch here. The unlock button doesn't work all the time. So I'm going to be switching it out. So you're going to have to remove a screw down here. There's two behind here and one behind here that you have to remove. And then it just pops out. Also have another bolt behind this cover here. Alright, so what you need is a T25 here, and that one, this one, this one, and this one will be a T30. I usually put some black tape on the end of a small screwdriver so that I can pry up without damaging anything here. So what you want to do is you go in right here, and then they'll start lifting up. I'll use two hands for this. I pry it up, it'll pop once. You pull it out just like this. You've got the one screw right here, and that's it. To undo this is just an easy click. Remove this guy. So you want to grab underneath and pull up on it. It's going to be quite difficult, but you'll get it. Once you really pull on it, it'll pop straight up. Those are where it clips in. Those white guys there. And then you just remove the plug here by pulling up on the blue bit. It's hard to get a view on it while I'm doing it, but that blue piece you pull up this way or down, whatever you want to call it, and then it'll pop out. You undo that, you got the bolt here and another one there. Also have another bolt behind this cover here. It comes off fairly simple. Again, I use the tape, I squeeze it in there, and then gently gap it. I'm going to use two hands for this. You got the screwdriver under there, you got it this far, you just give it a little yank. Might be a little more than a little, but just like that. And it comes off. And the bolt is right up in there. Once you get the total of 5 bolts out, you're gonna have to yank on this pretty hard. You want to get your fingers underneath and really pull on it to get it to pop. After that, it's just got these white and black clips in there that go in the holes. You pulled the panel towards you and you got all the clips undone on it. It will come up towards you to unclip it from in the window well, just like that. Once you have it this far, the lock is going to be the blue one. What you want to do is push down here, that slips out, and then you want to get a screwdriver in kind of on the side of it, right in here, and then same thing on the other side. This just comes right out. That screwdriver in the side here, and it pops out. You can see the clips there on the sides of them, on both sides. All these clips, push clips coming up here, seems like there's different sizes. So these ones are shallower, these ones stick out further up here. Make sure you have them out of the door before you try clicking it all back in and back in the door panel. They just slip on and off just like that. When you're getting everything back in, it all just kind of clicks in. So this one here coming in on an angle just like this, and then you just give it a nice little push. There we go, that one's back in. Don't forget to plug everything back in before you reassemble. This one here just kind of slides in like this, goes in position, and push back down. This one here just kind of goes on there like this and clips back in. There we go. We got a working switch again.